Okay, so this is your next assignment for the week, Lesson 3B, India's Geography and Location. Your objectives, what you will be able to accomplish by the end of the lesson. I can locate India and its geographical regions, and I can identify the ancient civilization that existed in India. Directions. Read the text below and then answer questions 1 through 5 in complete sentences. You can zoom in using your iPad to read. So we have India's location and geography. We're going to look at the map and the reading to the side of it. India is a modern-day country located in the region of Asia, known as South Asia. So that very first sentence gave us a continent and a region. Historically, the area referred to as India was larger than the country today and included the land northwest of the Indus River Valley, which is now part of Pakistan. The landmass that India is on is a peninsula. A peninsula is a landform. It's a piece of land surrounded by water on 3 sides. India is sometimes referred to as a subcontinent because it is part of Asia that juts into the Indian Ocean. So right here you can see in the green, this is India, and the rest of the continent of Asia is in gray. So it juts out, points out into the Indian Ocean. Again, a peninsula surrounded by water on 3 sides. So these are the bodies of water that border India. India's many regions have very different climates. The Himalaya Mountains, the world's tallest mountain range, are in the north, and the Deccan Plateau is an area of high altitude with hardy plant life. So think about it, if you're living in India and the Himalaya Mountains are surrounding you, they're very, very tall. Do you think that's going to be easy to communicate with the people on the other side of the mountain, or is that going to be more of a challenge? And finally, the Endogangetic Plane is home to India's most important rivers. It is a vast area of fertile soil where many of India's civilizations began. So right here, the Endogangetic Plane, you can see it's home to 2 rivers. Follow the arrows. Now it has a lot of fertile soil, so you may want to live near the rivers for the fertile soil so your plants can grow. Now, these are your 5 questions that you need to answer. Number 1, which continent is India located on? What region? Number 2, what is the name of the large mountain range to the northeast of India? How do you think the presence of that mountain range may have affected interaction between the people of India and the people on the other side of the mountain? Number 3, identify 2 rivers that are located in the Endogangetic Plain. Number 4, why do you think many of India's civilizations began in the Endogangetic Plain? And number 5, which bodies of water border India?